Hi everyone, this is Miss Tran. This video is for our families, parents, or guardians. I hope everyone is doing well. We miss the children and we think of them daily. In this video, I will be doing a DIY game, a do-it-yourself game that is both educational and fun. The theme of this game is literacy. And it includes identifying objects, identifying letters and their sounds, writing and spelling words, and writing sentences. So this is what the game will include. Some things that you should consider during this game. I have 5 questions. For this game, the first one is, how do I make this game fun? We can make this game fun by including some things that your child likes. So you can think of some characters or some movies or TV shows that your child likes. And if they have any of those toys or character stuffed animals at home. So what I have at home for my children is my daughter collects these Squishmallows. My son likes the Avengers, so he has the character Thanos. And then I also have this shark that can be used as a puppet. It can be used as a puppet. So for this video, we are going to go with this shark. So that's how we can make this game fun. The second question to consider is, how do I motivate my child? How do I motivate my child? By including a token board or a reward system and giving your child something to earn at the end of the game. So this is what a sample example of a token board would look like. So the token board would include rules. There are 3 rules in this token board for this game. The first rule is do the work. The second rule is listen, and this is for the child to listen to you. And the third rule is have fun. Have fun. And then you can ask your child what she wants to earn after playing the game. So your child can choose something like iPad time, goldfish, gummy bears, M&Ms, or even a toy. And I have 10 boxes. So for this game, I'm going to play with my daughter, and she has to earn 10 stars or checks. And after earning 10 checks, she can then earn something of her choice. So that is an example of a token board or a reward system. The third question to consider for this game is, what would I like my child to work on or want my child to achieve in regards to the theme, in regards to literacy? So you could want your child to identify objects, spell words, or even write sentences. The fourth question is, what do I need for this game? What are some materials we need for this game? So the first thing is collect some objects in the house. You can have 10 or more objects. The second thing is put the objects in a bag that is not translucent or a clear bag, so the child cannot see through the bag. The third thing that you need is paper, a pencil, or a crayon, something to write with and on. A fourth thing you will need during this game, is a token board that I just showed you. This is the token board or a reward system. So those are some things you will need, materials you will need for this game. I will show you what I chose to use as a bag for this game. So we are going to use this bag. So you need something dark and not clear. And then again, you can choose up to 10 objects or more, depending on how long you want to play the game. So some things I chose for this game is a book, chose a comb, a toothbrush, gum, a watch. You can have 10 or more items, scissors, and a marker. So for this game later, I will add some more things. All right, so that is something that, some materials you'll need for the game. The last and fifth question to consider for this game is, how do I differentiate this game or have it meet my child's learning needs? So what you could do is, there are different levels in this game. The first is identifying the object, right? So when the child picks it out of the bag, the child will have to identify the object. The second thing that your child could do is, what letter, you can ask the child, what letter does the object begin with? So if the child chooses a book, the child would say that the letter of the book begins with B, of the word book begins with B. The third thing your child can work on is writing what the object is. So she or he would have to write book out, B-O-O-K, like this. And the last thing is write a sentence with the word book in it. All right, so in this game, it's differentiated or at different levels, depending on your child's age and what you want your child to achieve or learn for this game. All right, so what we're going to do is we are going to start this game. Hi families, parents, and guardians. My daughter is here right now to play the game, to model how the game is played. So again, I'm going to review some of the materials we need. This is the token board we're going to use with my daughter, Karina. I said we needed something to write with and on. So I have white paper and I have a marker. And this is the black bag we're going to use for this game. And in the bag are some objects that she's going to pull out. And what we're going to do is, to make the game fun for your child, we're going to use something like this, a puppet, this shark puppet. So what my daughter is going to do is, she's going to have the puppet eat or grab something with the shark's mouth and grab something from the bag, and then identify the object, and then write the object, the word of the object on this paper. All right, so we're going to start with introducing the token board. So Karina, this is your token board, and there's 3 rules of this game. The first rule is to do your work, to do this work. The second rule is to listen. And the third rule is to have fun. So what would you like to earn today? I have 2 choices. I have the Rubik's Cube, and I have Oreos. What do you want to earn after this game?
Oreos.
Oreos? Okay. So I'm going to write this down. So Karina chose to work for Oreos. So she has to earn 10 checks in order to earn the Oreos. So during the whole game, I'm going to give her checks across the game during the whole game. And then after the game is complete, I will then give her the Oreos. At home, you can have up to 5 boxes or just 5 checks. And for this game, I have 10. So you can have 3 checks or 3 boxes, 5 or 10. It's up to you. All right, Karina, so what you're going to do is you are going to use this shark as a puppet. Put your hand in. And then you are going to pull something from this bag, and you're going to identify what you pulled out. What is that?
A toothbrush.
A toothbrush. All right, so what she's going to do is she's going to write down the word toothbrush. First, I'm going to ask you, though, what the word toothbrush begins with.
T.
T. Families and parents, at home, if your child is identifying the letter to an object, you can have something like this, the whole alphabet written out, and then you can have the child point to the letter T. Can you do that? Good. Or you can have the child write on paper the letter T. Okay. But for Karina, I'm going to have her write the word toothbrush here. Good job, Karina. So she wrote the word toothbrush. I'm going to give Karina a check because she did that right. So she has to have nine more checks before earning Oreos. Okay, let's choose the next object. What is that?
A comb.
A comb, you were right. What does the word comb begin with?
C.
C. That's right, C. Can you write the word comb for me? Good, Karina wrote the word comb. What you can also do at home, parents and families, is you can have your child write a sentence with the word comb in it. But for this video, we're only going to write the words. Although, can you think of a sentence with the word comb in it?
In the morning, I comb my hair.
Good job. So that could be a sample sentence. So that could be kind of for older students. Okay, let's choose another object. What is that?
Scissors.
Scissors. Scissors is a hard word to spell. What does scissors begin with?
S.
S. That's right. Can you write the word scissors? Good job. Karina wrote the word scissors. So Karina gets another check. So she has now 3 checks. She's earned 3 checks with spelling all 3 words that she pulled out of the bag. All right, let's choose another object. What is that?
An orange.
An orange. And what does the word orange begin with?
O.
Oh, that's right. All right. Good job, Karina wrote the word orange. Can you give yourself a check? Good job. So Karina has 4 checks now, and she needs to earn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more checks in order to earn Oreos. Okay, let's choose another object. What is that?
Gum.
Gum, you were right, gum. And what does the word gum begin with?
G.
G. Good. Okay, write the word gum here. That's right, gum. Good job. All right, give yourself a check. Okay, let's choose another object from the bag.
A watch.
A watch. That's right, it is a watch. And what does the word watch begin with?
W.
W. That's right. All right, that's right. She wrote the word watch. Good job. Give yourself a check. Another check. All right, I gotta shake it up. Shake the bag up. Choose something. What is that?
Ribbon.
Ribbon. You are right. What does the word ribbon begin with?
R.
R. You are right. All right, Karina wrote the word ribbon. R-I-B-B-O-N. She spelled it right. Give yourself another check. Okay, there you go. Choose another object. Shake the bag up. What is that?
A book.
A book. Good job. This is a book, and what does the word book begin with?
B.
B. You're right. Good job. She wrote the word B-O-O-K. All right, give yourself a check. All right. Here you go. Choose another object. What is that?
Expo marker.
An expo marker. All right, and what does the marker begin with?
E.
E for expo marker, or it could be marker as well, but it could be both. It could be an expo marker because it says expo on it, or a marker. All right, good job. Give yourself another check. Okay. What is the last object? Okay, what is that?
Sticky notes.
Sticky notes. Sticky notes. So your child can say notes or paper or sticky notes. So Karina had said sticky notes. So Karina, what does sticky notes begin with?
S.
S. All right, you're going to write the word sticky notes. And she did it. She wrote the words sticky notes. Give yourself a check. All right, so Karina earned all 10 checks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And she earned the Oreos. Good job, Karina. So families and parents and guardians, that is how you can play the game with your child. So I hope you have fun. And you're welcome to let me know how it was. Well, have a good day and have fun. Bye. You say bye?
Bye.